The Rexus is Exway's new generation remote controller exclusively designed for electric skateboard enthusiasts, combining power-packed features with superior hand-feel comfort. Its user-centric interface ensures more intuitive control and elevates your riding experience to new levels of effortless enjoyment. The Rexus is equipped with Exway's Bifrost 2.0 lighting control system, allowing you to set lighting modes for your skateboard and other gear through the remote control. It is not limited to Exway products. By installing the Exway Receiver VESC signal receiver, the Rexus can be used with other brands or DIY projects, enabling more riders to enjoy better electric skateboard experiences. When we get the Rexus controller, we can see the following buttons. The right button handles power on off and gear switching, while the left button controls lighting and menu navigation. The metal scroll wheel on the right controls acceleration and braking of the skateboard. The switch below the scroll wheel adjusts the skateboard's travel direction. The trigger button on the left serves as an anti-miss operation lock and also operates the turn signals. A Type-C charging port is located at the bottom of the controller. The slots near the screen are specifically designed and reserved for mounting action cameras and flashlight brackets. To power on the Rexus controller, long press the right button. On first use, a simplified beginner's guide will appear. The guide covers putting on helmets and protective gear, confirming the skateboard's travel direction. Setting up front or back foot stance and safely standing on the skateboard. Controlling turns, starting and braking. Gear restriction reminders. You can later re-enter the tutorial by long pressing the left button to open the remote control settings menu, then selecting the beginner's guide under the last option. The B-board indicator in the top left corner shows the skateboard's remaining battery. The remote indicator in the top right corner shows the remote control's remaining battery. The time display at the top center syncs automatically with your phone's time when connected to the ExSkate app. The circle in the top left corner indicates the signal strength between the remote and the skateboard. The circle in the top right corner shows the skateboard's Dr. mode. Two-wheel drive to WD. For four-wheel drive for WD. The circle in the bottom right corner displays the skateboard's lighting status. Single-click the left button to toggle ambient lights on or off. Double-click the left button to cycle through lighting modes. Color comet, white comet, color throttle. The circle in the bottom left corner indicates the status of externally connected lights. Triple-click the left button to toggle these external lights on or off. The center of the screen displays either real-time speed or power consumption. Double-tap the center to switch between them. Resets automatically after 4 hours of inactivity. Below the speed or power display total accumulated mileage. The gear indicator at the bottom of the screen shows PN 1 to 3, 4 or turbo, and neutral active when the anti-miss operation lock is enabled. 102 or 3 or 4 basic speed gears. Turbo performance mode theme color shifts to purple by default. P-Park requires enabling the parking mode in settings. Left turn signal speed display temporarily changes to a left arrow. Right turn signal speed display temporarily changes to a right arrow. Push forward gradually accelerates the skateboard. Pull backward brakes to slow down. Note for beginners: avoid slamming the throttle or brakes. Gradually adjust to avoid risks from sudden acceleration braking. Use the switch below the scroll wheel to toggle travel direction: default forward push forward, backward pull back. Critical safety note: switching directions mid-ride is disabled to prevent accidents from accidental activation. Long-press power on off the remote skateboard. Single clicks, which gears. New skateboards default to beginner mode, gear limited to 2. Max speed 25 km/h. Beginner mode auto disables after 10 km total mileage or can be manually turned off via a menu app. Double click for WD models only activate stank turn mode, adjust direction by a scroll wheel. Triple click toggles turbo mode theme color changes. Single click toggle ambient lights on or off. Double click cycle through lighting modes. Long press open remote settings menu. Single click the trigger disables the anti-miss operation lock, allows acceleration braking. Tilt remote left plus double click trigger activates left turn signal. Tilt remote right plus double click trigger activates right turn signal. Hold brake plus triple click trigger activates parking mode, wheels lock to prevent rolling. Requires enabling parking mode in settings. Single click trigger exits parking mode. Swipe up from the bottom to access quick adjust panel screen brightness adjustment. A toggle for WD or to WD mode. Be enable or disable screen rotation. See configure anti-miss operation lock settings. Swipe left from the right to customize ambient lighting, adjust light brightness. Or set animation speed. Be select single color theme for static or breathing modes. Press the right button to enter pairing mode. To WD skateboards, pair only with ES cone point. For WD skateboards, connect rear motors to ES cone, then front motors to ESC2. For Exway skateboards, enter pairing mode by pressing the skateboard's power button. After successful pairing, press the left button to return to the main menu. For WD, switch toggle between 2 WD or 4 WD for WD models. To WD models must keep this off to avoid ESC to lost errors. Turbo mode enables turbo mode in Gear 4. Max speed caps max speed in Gears 3 and 4 for safety. Standby set days until auto shutdown avoids manual power on. After rating, just motor direction to prevent reverse movement. Brake force. Adjust brake intensity levels 1 to 9. Motor gear. Set primary gear teeth count for accurate speed display. Wheel gear. Set pulley gear teeth count for accurate speed display. Wheel diameter. Their input tire diameter for accurate speed calibration. Bad output. Manually set capacity requires pairing with MBS. Controls anti-miss operation lock set auto lock. Delay 1 second or 5 seconds or 20 seconds or off. Parking mode toggle will lock feature. Free mode converts brakes to reverse motion, disable for safety. Cruise control, hold throttle with double click right, but not exceeding 25 km/h. Gear limit. Restrict max gear to prevent accidents. Shift while moving, enable gear changes mid-ride, experts only. Safe charging disables remote input during charging, recommended. Display raised to wake saves battery by activating screen on tilt. Screen rotation. Auto rotates display where use. Default off. Brightness to brightness levels. Speed unit. switch between kilometers per hour and miles per hour. Throttle calibration recalibrates scroll wheel sensitivity for linear response. Unbind phone disconnects remote from current phone app. Theme color customize you by colored default white. Turbo theme customize turbo mode UI color. AirSync enabled a pair external lights exempt Lee Gradia cloud will 135 Explorer. Throttle which acceleration profile standard or burst. Lights toggle on or off. Light scene. Choose lighting effects exempt Lee Gradia Comet. Light color. Just hues for single color modes. Brightness. Set light intensity. Light speed. Adjust animation speed. Night brightness. Schedule auto brightness adjustments. Night starts. Set the nighttime light start time. Night ends. Set the nighttime light end time. System version. Update firmware via app. Toggle between simplified Chinese and English. We start the simplified tutorial for new users. Download the ExSkate app from your phone's app store. Power on the remote, then long press the left button to enter the settings menu. Open the ExSkate app and tap Add Device. Select your skateboard or remote from the search results to connect. Troubleshooting A. If the device isn't detected, it might already be paired with another app. Solution: go to the remote settings menu and unbind phone to reset the connection. To enhance your experience, the Rexus controller offers practical add-ons. Silicone cases available in orange and pink for full body protection. Shock absorbent designed to safeguard against drops and screen protectors pre-cut tempered glass to prevent scratches and smudges. Quick release mount system compatible with 3D printed adapters for attaching. The powerful Bifrost 2.0 lighting system supports a wide range of extra gear. For example, Cloud will 135 Explorer light-up wheels, lighted cycling helmets and more. Enter pairing mode on your lighting device. Enable AirSync on the Rexus remote. Open the settings menu, pairing, select other. Follow on-screen prompts to complete the connection. With Rexus, you can control all connected lights seamlessly. Stay tuned for our upcoming tutorial. Now you've mastered all the skills to unleash your Rexus. Ride with professionalism, ride with style. Go carve the streets and own your journey.